everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Leon and welcome back. If you are interested in topics such as video production, making money online, tutorials and business, then please be sure to subscribe as I upload every single day. You will not be disappointed. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a FACECAM to your videos using OBS. So without further ado guys, let's get started with this tutorial. Okay guys, so I'm on OBS right now. So the first thing you want to do is obviously go to the plus icon, go to video capture device, create new, click OK. And essentially that is it. Now you can obviously switch between, devices, but I'm going to stick with my webcam, which is the Logitech C920. And obviously for resolution and FPS type, you want to go for custom resolution, and as I said in my last video, always go for 720p. Resolution is 720p on your webcam and basically everything, then your PC is less likely to lag, like that. Go for 30 FPS, and essentially that's that. Okay everyone, so that's the video done and dusted. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, then be sure to subscribe for more. Leave a like and share it around to boost the video on the algorithm so that it gets more views. And leave any questions you may have in the comments down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in an upcoming video. Take care everyone.